So intense. What an iron monster. Under the blazing sun, the giant mechanical arms moved continuously, roaring like wild beasts. The sound of metal clashing was deafening. Each car part was dismantled with cold precision. Cables were rolled up, welding machines were sparking, and smoke was billowing. The scene unfolded with extreme speed and power, demonstrating the brutality but efficiency of the machines. It's hard to believe that an Audi A3 with a 2.0 LTFSI engine, 190 horsepower, was put into a giant shredder. In an instant, there was a terrifying cracking sound. The metal shell was crushed like shredded paper. Steel gears spun violently, glass shattered. It all ended in a single note: fast, neat, coldly chilling. Have you ever seen a computer circuit board being destroyed in the blink of an eye? Impressively, SSI's quad 4-shaft shredder began to devour electronic scrap. Circuit boards glittering with components were crushed mercilessly. Gears rotated vigorously, metal and plastic shattered, sparks flew. The sharp sound rang out repeatedly, demonstrating the incredible technological power. Can you imagine a sturdy steel drum being shredded in seconds? With the SSI Dual Shear M85, a dual-shaft industrial shear, unusable drums are easily shredded. The blades rotate evenly. The steel is torn into strips, emitting a sharp screech. This is the first important step in the modern recycling process. It was amazing to see the powerful and precise screening of biomass. The screening machine worked continuously, vibrating rhythmically, separating every piece of wood, dry leaves, and impurities from the biomass. Dust flew, the conveyor belt rotated smoothly, everything was clearly classified. The process was fast, efficient, opening the way for a sustainable recycling chain. Next comes the powerful eucalyptus waste treatment system with the combination of the Dopstad DW3060 Biopower Primary Crusher and the Dopstad AK630 Fine Crusher. Branches, leaves, and bark are rolled in and crushed with a constant rumbling sound. The waste turns into small pieces in a split second, opening the way for an efficient and sustainable biomass treatment process. The 150 kilowatts jaw crusher feed hopper, 200 horsepower engine operates continuously, bringing each block of stone and tree branch into the inside. The powerful crusher chews the rice, the grinding teeth tighten, crushing the material under enormous pressure. The loud noise, dust flying around the area, creating a scene of the machine working tirelessly, non-stop. If you love this journey, don't hesitate to leave a like. The star screen works smoothly, classifying the materials into two sizes, 0 to 80 millimeters and 80 to 200 millimeters. The star blades rotate evenly, separating each piece of debris with high precision. The dust flies lightly, the machine sounds evenly. The scene shows the perfect coordination between technology and mechanical power in the material processing process. The MNJ 4000 crusher operates powerfully, continuously crushing straw and biomass. The high-speed rotating blades tear each bundle of straw into small pieces, forming uniform crumbs. The engine roars loudly, and light dust flies up, demonstrating the machine's excellent power and efficiency in processing biomass materials quickly and sustainably. The ZS large drum plastic shredder operates powerfully with a redesigned hydraulic propulsion system, creating 35% more space in the cutting chamber. The 457mm diameter Zerma rotor rotates rapidly, combined with a width of 1,200 to 2,000 millimeters, increasing the capacity and speed of the ram. The plastic crusher is efficient, the machine sounds loud, the plastic is shredded quickly, preparing for recycling. Can't miss the powerful Mizar SSH series single shaft crusher. The blades rotate quickly to crush the raw materials into small, even pieces. The engine sound is loud, dust flies all around. The system operates continuously, high efficiency, demonstrating superior strength and durability in the process of crushing industrial raw materials. On the sugar factory conveyor belts, sugarcane raw materials are continuously transported quickly. The machines operate smoothly, crushing the sugarcane to extract juice, filtering impurities, and then moving on to the next stages. The engine sounds evenly, the line operates continuously, creating an efficient and precise sugar production process in a modern industrial space. It is impossible to take your eyes off the MNJ 4000 to 8M CNI waste shredder operating vigorously at the RDF plant. The blades rotate at high speed, crushing all kinds of industrial and commercial waste. The sound of the machine is steady, dust flies up, creating a scene of the machine operating continuously and effectively, contributing to optimizing the waste treatment and recycling process. It was impressive to see the wood chipper working nonstop. The blades rotated rapidly, crushing each log into small, uniform pieces. The engine roared loudly, and wood dust flew all around. The chopping process was continuous and powerful, demonstrating the superior power and efficiency of modern wood processing technology. At Seaview Plastic Recycling Incorporated in Bridgeport, Connecticut, the plastic shredder operates powerfully with a 150 kilowatts, 200 horsepower motor. Sharp blades spin rapidly, shredding plastic pieces into uniform granules. The loud engine noise and light plastic dust create a modern and efficient scene that contributes to sustainable, environmentally friendly plastic recycling. Wyma WLK-10 machine tests plastic shredding with a powerful 90 kilowatts motor, 120 horsepower. The blade rotates evenly, quickly shredding each piece of plastic into small, even particles. The machine hums continuously, plastic dust flies lightly, creating a scene of modern, precise, and efficient technology in the plastic recycling process. The plastic recycling baler operates powerfully. The mechanical arm slowly tears the thick plastic bales. The powerful motor rotates evenly, pulling the plastic layer apart into small pieces. The machine hums loudly. Plastic dust flies lightly in the air, creating a scene of modern, efficient technology, helping to prepare the raw materials for the next recycling process. At Global Arta Recycling in Preston, machinery for handling materials and loading and unloading containers churns away. Huge cranes lift heavy loads of scrap metal, moving swiftly over uneven ground. The rumble of engines echoes as materials are sorted and stacked neatly, creating a scene of industrial activity and high efficiency. It was impressive to witness the process of crushing stone from giga to micro sand. The large capacity crusher worked vigorously, crushing each giant stone. The gears rotated continuously. The crushed stone gradually broke into fine sand particles. The sound of the machine echoed evenly. The dust flew faintly, creating a scene of modern technology, powerful and extremely precise. Don't hesitate to leave a like or a subscribe if you're interested in this journey. Timber Pro TL735C with cutter combined with Quadco hot saw works quickly and powerfully. The hot saw blade rotates sharply, cutting each large log into short, precise pieces. The machine roars loudly, sawdust flies everywhere, creating a scene of modern technology, high efficiency, helping the wood cutting work take place effectively and safely.